Alright, so that's our program. G-code is set up. Step that into the pool and then keep that light now we're just going to go to the play button. Go to it. Hit play and watch the fireworks. Right now I have the air blowing for ship evacuation. I don't have any coolant running right now because this is welding. Welding off the aluminum. This is off as well. Cutting off the pocket. Program, you can see where the cutter is right now. It's on the crosshairs. Imagine doing the circle. There's a circular pocket that we're going to start cutting off. I have it ramping in very slow. We're going to go from this. We're going to just slowly. And then we have to start the full cycle. Hang on, Maverick. Cutting off the pocket. This is actually working well. Going to cut out the stress socket as well. Accelerating a little bit there. Hang on, man. Your program is working well. Now let's get the radius of the part. Multiple depth paths. Going into it. That's another piece. That is as close to the jaws of my bike as is humanly possible. I really lucked out on that. Nice. Now let's do the boring time. And you can see that has a little bit different skip evacuation. this today. And the program's done. So I'm going to shut off the spindle now. So we'll hear me a lot better. Alright, so part is done with the first operation. You can see how close the cutter, let me blow this thing off here real quick. There's the part. You can see how close that cutter came to my vise. Like, holy crap. On this side, you can actually see that, yep, it's very, very barely cut into, I mean, I can't even feel that with my finger. So I need to definitely change the orientation on the fixture setup for this one. But there it is. Let's get this out of the way. This is the Delrin, so it doesn't really mess up your cutters at all. We'll undo it and take the part out. And there's your part. First successfully machined part on the home CNC mill for Op 1. I'll go ahead and put some calipers on it and check out the actual measurements on it and dimensions on it. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. That's awesome. Alright, that's it for now.